Did you know a simple yellow spice sitting in your kitchen could flatten your stomach, improve digestion, and even speed up weight loss? That spice is turmeric, and in this video, you'll learn exactly how it works. Welcome to Stomach Fit, the channel dedicated to reducing bloating, improving gut health, and natural weight loss. Today, we're talking about turmeric, one of the most powerful spices on the planet. People have used it for centuries in traditional medicine, and now science is confirming why it works so well for your stomach and your waistline. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll share the best way to take turmeric for maximum gut health and weight loss benefits. One of the biggest reasons turmeric is so powerful for gut health is its ability to fight inflammation. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, works like a natural anti-inflammatory. When your gut is inflamed, you experience bloating, indigestion, and even weight gain. By calming inflammation, turmeric helps your digestive system function more smoothly, which reduces discomfort and keeps your stomach flatter. But reducing inflammation is just the start. Turmeric also has a surprising effect on your gut bacteria that makes it a true weight loss ally. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, some good, some bad. The balance between them affects everything from bloating to metabolism. Research shows that turmeric helps support the growth of good bacteria in your digestive system while reducing harmful bacteria that cause gas and bloating. This improved balance doesn't just help digestion, it also boosts nutrient absorption, which means your body gets more value from the food you eat. And when your gut bacteria are balanced, your metabolism becomes more efficient, making it easier to maintain or lose weight. If you've ever felt like you eat healthy but still struggle with bloating or stubborn belly fat, hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people just like you. Here's where turmeric really shines for weight loss. Curcumin has been shown to increase thermogenesis, which means your body burns more calories even at rest. It also helps prevent fat storage by blocking certain pathways that encourage fat cells to grow. In simple terms, turmeric not only helps your stomach feel lighter, it also makes it harder for your body to hold on to extra fat. But before you rush to sprinkle turmeric on everything, there's one important secret you need to know to actually unlock its benefits. Here's the truth. Turmeric on its own isn't absorbed well by the body. That's why so many people take it but don't see results. The solution? Combine turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which boosts the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Best ways to use turmeric? Add a half teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper into warm water or tea. Mix turmeric into smoothies or golden milk. Use it in curries, soups, or roasted vegetables. If you'd like me to share my favorite turmeric drink recipe for gut health, let me know in the comments below. So to recap, turmeric helps your gut and weight loss by reducing inflammation that causes bloating, supporting healthy gut bacteria for better digestion, boosting metabolism, and reducing fat storage. When taken the right way, especially with black pepper, turmeric becomes a powerful tool for a healthy gut and a slimmer waistline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Stomach Fit, and turn on notifications for more weekly tips on reducing bloating, gut health, and weight loss. And before you go, comment below, how do you like to use turmeric in your daily routine? Remember, a healthy gut is the secret to a healthy body. See you in the next video.